This beautifully crafted Vogel-Eredyon wand is a pocket-sized companion of pure, focused energy. Cut from water-clear Brazilian clear quartz and aligned to the sacred geometry of both Marcel Vogel and Vogel-Eredyon, it carries a refined, coherent, energetic flow that supports healing, meditation, and intention setting. Subtle natural veils and phantoms whisper the story of its long formation, yet leave the vortex perfectly clear for uninterrupted transmission. Whether you're beginning your crystal journey or expanding your spiritual practice, this wand amplifies clarity, elevates your vibration, and stays by your side as a constant source of grounding, guidance, and light.